Ahem, ahem, ahem. Hello? Oh my goodness. Hey, how's it going? Oh, hi. Oh my goodness. Hey, wow, people shy. How are all of you? Yes, no? What kind of ASMR are you doing? Mapping. Oh my. Oh, hi. Hey, how's it going? I'm gonna work on the translations and stuff now. I'm gonna redo the translation system I have now. So yeah, it's that type of ASMR. So, hmm, like, I don't know how I'm going to do this. I want to rework this. I'm not like excited about this, if that makes sense. You don't remember the name of the email? Hmm? Let's see. So, I don't remember how I had this set up, actually. So, all I remember is that when you press the button, language and text. Oh, that's how I did this? Surely I didn't do it like this. I did do it like this. I can melt? What? I don't like this, actually. I actually do not. Yeah, I actually don't like this. Because that is a lot of triggers happening. I wonder if there's a better way I can do this. So I made it so that. Oh gosh. I got influenced by To Buy Cloverbit. It's really fun. It's so fun. You can't deny it's fun. Okay, I can use this though. Yeah, I can. So, let's see. Int equals 0. So, I think what I'll do is I'll do this instead. Yeah. Okay, so what I'll do is this. Read on behavior, then this. I don't need that. This to be like this either. Okay. So here's the plan of what I'll do. I'll put this back here. Okay. So, if the language matches, do nothing. If it doesn't match, do something. Now, if it does match, all of this is going to have to change. So, all of this is going to have to change. So what I'll do is Twitter, I want to stay on following. What does that even mean? I am a bit confused. Also, oh my goodness, what? Yesterday was so insane. I don't know if you guys want to hear about it, but we had basically it was a VR chat. Cause okay, so this is what happened. Apparently, Hayden ERP'd while A and I were doing stuff for the group. And she was so upset by it because no one said anything. And so, yeah. So we went yesterday to make up for it, but every lobby we went to was so tame and such. And hi, Dr. Beard. But yeah, they were so tamed. And so I decided to, start doing stuff to help get the ball rolling. Instead of Hayden, like, using the fact that I was getting sexual tension rising inside the instance, almost aside from 2 instances, I was getting, like, by multiple people back to back. I'm just like, wait a minute, why am I the one getting fucked? It's supposed to be Hayden. But I will say, oh my goodness, I was about to get off because there's one final. Were you even surprised? I mean, usually people are afraid and intimidated by me. So yeah, actually. But it was like very lesbian. I mean, super lesbian. And I was getting ready to get off because it has been like telling me the whole time to go eat and such, right? As soon as I told her, he's like, "You ready to get off?" She's like, "No, continue." I was like, "Oh my goodness." So funny. Oh my goodness. I was laughing so much. Child counts. Then I have no idea if this is going to work. But I tested it in my test map and it did work. So let's see. I don't know if it'll work well. So get child, then. So now we have the name of this child. The next thing we have to do is find. Oh, how do I do this? Transform. Find. Oh, how did I do this? Sorry, I need to open up another Unity real quick. I actually, but yeah, it was last night was fun though. It was very fun. Oh, just FYI, because People are like, "Oh, it's just the personal group." No, when we do these, this is Horizon South. There's no personal group in this. If people want to show up, they can, as long as it's respectful and such. I saw this news about Himoto Umaru-chan. Oh my goodness. She passed away due around 2017 due to a rare disease. Umaru-chan, as a character, is my sister. I hope people don't forget about her. Oh, that's so sad. So there's this anime that was really liked because it's about a brother and her like very cute creature of a sister, and it was based off the artist based it off his sister. But during the creation of the manga, she passed away. This was in 2017. But he never told anyone so that people could enjoy the series. But that would explain, like other people were saying, why there was no sequel or anything. Oh man, that's pretty sad. Aim object find. I'm using the wrong thing. So I find a game object, and then it's valid. It's valid, then thing is, great addition. Oh, that's good. Forgot how to do this. Value then. How do I do this? I actually don't. Maybe it'll be addition. Let's see. Addition. String. Addition. So I would have to put this first. And plug that in. So it'd be translate. And this should spit out. Send. So send. Where's my debug? Debug log. So if this works, then clear all of this. Wide. So this would be. I'm trying to simplify this. I'm trying to like have. Actually, I have to keep this part. Oh no, actually I don't. I don't have to keep this part because I can just slap it right here. What would this be considered fonts asset? That. How would this work? Is it text? I think I could slap it here. So text TMP. Okay. So then I remove it all off of it. Oh, I already put on the wrong thing actually. I don't put it here. Because get font, then so I do this, then get font, let's see. How do I change? I actually don't know how to do this. Hi, Inmi. Hi, Mockingjay, Spoolman, everyone. Hey, Inmi, Aya, Purple. Hi. I don't. Font size, font style, font asset. So this might actually not work. I feel like I've tried this before. You know what? I think I tried this before. I tried. Oh my gosh, that's right. I did try this, and it didn't work. So you can't change this in real time. Oh, this is stupid. See, Unity, change font asset with code. Text fonts material. Wait, so it's like that? Does this actually work? Because if I could do this, this would actually be a lot better. To be honest. To be honest. I don't know if it'll work. We'll find out right now. On. So first we'll try this. On it. Then send. Translate testing. Okay, it works. So now, if that works, then does this part work? So we're gonna see if it registers. Registers, then this should be good. Huh. Why didn't this work? Hum hum hum. So this didn't find it. Oh. Where do you find? Command stands to be fixed? Yeah, you're right. I actually do. So it doesn't work. Huh. I guess. I'm at a bit of a loss on how to approach this. Going to be honest. I actually don't know how to approach this. Um, yeah, I fixed a little bit more. So I slowed down some of the animations. The attacks are a bit off, and audio's still off, but it's a lot better now as compared to before. I don't know how to do this. I thought this would work. It did not work. Hmm. Yeah, go objects. Maybe because it's like this? Even then, this should work. Sound. Why doesn't this work? Oh, it works now. Okay, so that works. So here comes the next part, which is getting get components, then TNT text type. So we'll throw that there. Then set font material. So first, if it's valid, then continue. Then set the font material. And try changing this. So if this works, this should switch to KR. If not, then shit beats me. It's like, I wouldn't know. Did you find me fired? But this is still. Oh. Wait. It did the wrong thing. So, wait, it does work. Yep, fonts. Wait, no, it didn't. Stupid. This is weird. So, after I find custom font, let's try this again. So what if I, okay, what if I switch this to camera? This one is, I'm a bit confused. I wish I could just copy the whole component. Hi, how are you? Murder you? Why would I do that? Material chart of what size? It's the way to copy a component entirely. So both of these are liberation. Separatists. This needs to translate to, because I talk shit about your favorite VR game world. My favorite VR game world. What? Where? Wait, what VR game world? What? I'm a bit confused. This does not work. Yeah. You talked shit about my Brawlhalla world? It's still in beta. I don't even know what you said. Yeah. So, why is this saying so confused? Watch shared with Zero? I don't know what this is. It's called Aegis District, but uh, I don't even know what you said is the thing. Still don't. Why can I not change those at all? This is so annoying. Actually, so annoying. The one thing I want to change, and you can't change it. Why? My gosh, I don't think this is gonna work. I might just have to do this the hard way. This actually sucks. This sucks. Huh. Why are you not able to change the font though? There's nothing about asset. It has everything here except what I need. Get component. Sense. What is that? What is this? this? There's no way this works, right? Yeah, compound. What is this? Yeah, text component. Grab that. How do I grab it? Ah, my gosh. Yeah, I forgot. You can't. There's like no easy way to change the text. Oh, whatever. I'll do the long way. I'm kind of going to dread this, but whatever. Smooth? Don't say. What language system? So this other method that I have was basically actually there might be an easier way to do this. So these are all the languages. These are all the stuff. So yeah, I can do that, but I want this to be as simple as possible, but it doesn't look like it's going to work, to be honest. It's whatever. So, wait, did I No, I remember doing those, and I remembered, right, grab, you couldn't change the text, so. I wonder, did I finish it? This looks like I already finished it, to be honest. I kind of want to simplify. So maybe what I can do is this. I have a better idea, even further. Okay? So, let's see. How did I do this exactly? Okay, I think I remember. So I have TL, like I put TL. So okay, I've an idea. I have an idea. So if I remember correctly, I already had all. Yeah, you know what? I think I already had all of this set up. I did. Yeah. I have to change this up a bit more. What's this? What is that? Oh my gosh, this is actually. If I do this, I'm gonna have to. Yeah, it is. A little bit in its own way. Because the issue is the font itself. I never had this issue with the other one, but I'm stuck here using Text Mesh Pro, which they said, oh yeah, you should use this one. It's highly encouraged, so I did it. Here we are now. I have an idea. We need to go off this. Wow. Set. I don't remember how I fucking did this. That was bad for Pro Builder? Oh my gosh, Pro Builder was. My Pro Builder days were, yeah. Let's not talk about it. How did I do this? I actually don't remember how I did all of this. Thinking. This is so. New non-live features annoying. I say Hibero, my keyboard, and realize it's not live. Oh, that sounds annoying. Let's try this. ENG dot. This might work. This I do. It's a bit rudimentary because I have all this other crap, but make my life quite easier. But so, okay, here we go. This is a bit complicated than it should be. Okay. Let's- So, if true, then so if that's matches this equals this, then branch. Okay, so the biggest problem I have with this actually is because any forms of changes to to this player data, what this basically means is every single one of these is firing. I don't want that. Yeah, this sucks. I don't. I'm gonna to. This actually sucks. I don't know what to do. I thought I had it, but I am actually stumped by this. Because I want to make it. Yeah, this is translation. So the issue is, okay. So what I have it doing is on change when this changes, if it's not the same. So okay, imagine this. Okay, say I have two player datas. The first player data is health. The second player data is the second player data is language. So say it was the combat game, and what happens is during combat you take damage, right? So your player data for health is constantly changing. Here's the thing. In turn of that, that means that the translation system is also firing. That's the big issue. But here's the thing. There hasn't been any issues so far with the rest of the system. So I guess this could work. It could work. Okay. So you know what? If okay, let's see. So if equals, then continue. So say this is English. So then it checks for this, then get components, type, text, whoop, TMP text, type, no, TMP type text. So now we have the text. Get components. Oh, so you tell me I can't even check if it's active or not? There's no way. There's actually no way. I'm text. Let's see. Get active. Get enabled. Team text. Okay, there we go. This. Wait, that doesn't work. There's no way. Okay. So, does it need to change? Does it not just need to fire and change? Oh, the thing is, so what I'm using is the on player data updated. Here's the thing. This means any player data update. That's the biggest issue and concern I have. But you know what? I think this should work. If enable, do nothing. Okay, so here. Okay. We can make some checks and balances so shit doesn't like keep firing. If equals, then not. If enabled. If it's not enabled, then season. Set. Tax. Set. Enable. Okay. We're making progress. Settle down. Don't be as excited as me. So if it's not enabled, then enable it. Now we need to do the flip side. What if it isn't? Then so now here's the thing. What if the data doesn't match? Then you get the component and you check if it's enabled. If it's enabled, then you disable. But if it's false, then do nothing. This should limit how much happens. I have no idea if this is gonna work. You put enable twice? No, this is on purpose. So one checks for if it is the language. And if it doesn't match, then if it's on, it needs to turn off. So let's see. I forgot how I did this. 0 is English, so it should be... Zero... How did I do this? I'm so confused. Oh, 1 is English. Okay, so... Okay. So 0, buffer 0, then 1, 2. No. We're making progress. Just to see me cook, I'm like, I'm basically trying to make a cup of noodles and I'm struggling. So it's on 0. So if I do, if I do this, inch. See what I mean? Look, as soon as the data, it, that's what this is exactly what I was talking about. Because it's any data. If it's any data, this fires. This didn't work at all. This actually didn't work at all. Player language is set to 2. So why did this fail? Now it's set to 5. I don't understand. Oh my gosh, I actually hate this so much. This good component setting. Am I like... It's local. Oh my gosh, this is so annoying. This is so annoying. Oh my goodness. I hate to say it. I'm kind of salting right now. I hate this. I actually hate this so much. How would I do this? How would I do this? The biggest issue is I don't know how to change this damn font. I hate this. I actually hate this so much. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This sucks. Great. Not during runtime. I don't know why this doesn't work either. Like, why do you not work? Actually, like, why? That color setting, what's that? Text. What does this even mean? Does it mean like, if I put Japanese and this, and then tell me that oh, you can't have the same components on the same thing, unfortunately. As far as I'm oh. What's you only have one. Hi Amnesia, how are you? I'm thinking. I have another idea. Idea. For whatever reason, I feel that's so this is cell. There's no okay, wait. That and what? Best constructor. What does that mean? That's curious. Why did? What is that? Uh, let's prepare. So this has nothing, but this has Japan. So if I do this, does that mean it copies the component? Wait, perhaps. I'm about to get a lot of log errors because of this. There we go. It didn't work. I hate this. I hate this so much. I don't want to do this the old way. Oh my goodness. I hate this. I'm gonna be real honest. This actually sucks. Do I really have to do this the old way? This actually sucks so much. Man, why does this have to be so complicated? Why, like, I cannot find for dear life a text font asset that has every language either, by the way. Like, I'm actually just shafted on this. That's what makes this worse. Like, yeah. If I do Japanese, I can do Chinese, but then I can't do Korean. Unity font that has all Asia languages. Go fuck yourself. CJK? I can't even use this CJK font. Why should everything was super easy, right? If only things were so easy. SST by Sony. Google no tofu. Helvetica? Use none of fonts. No scripts, no styles. There's one that like has all. I'm gonna have an aneurysm. Hi, hey, how are you? Like Helvetica World? I have to buy this? Oh my gosh. Can you get type afterwards? Yeah, can you get fields acceptable? Well, the issue isn't that. It's literally because text CMP, I can't change the font as the thing. The field, the text field has nothing to do with it. It's literally just the asset. I can't grab it at all. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to do. This doesn't even work, so it's just like oh my goodness. This is the most convoluted like thing I've ever had to do. Like if I really wanted to, I would just do this. I'm just gonna do it. Whatever. I give up. I give up. I'm going to do this the old-fashioned route. Grab all this. This is gonna suck. This is actually going to suck so much. So, keep that. So, this is gonna be the most convoluted shit ever. So I grab that. Indexes. If the boiler is true, then I need to make a buffer so this doesn't keep firing. So. This is going to be index, then index. Okay, so so I do need that. I need to prevent like overlaps. I wish I could tell you what player data is updating as well. Wait, maybe there is. Let's see. Year chat player data updated. Player data. Visualization on player. I need the infos. Let's see. Player data info provides the player dot info. This string contains all player data keys associated with that player. Can be used in queries of mutator state, in which all player key is that this key has been changed since the last update. So if I how do I do this? Get info. Get name. Get rank. Get type. Get value. Oh, I see. This is the index. War has been restored. Wait, that's so. Data this key has been changed since the last update. I don't know anything about this actually. This is brand new to me. I'm learning new stuff. Hi, hey, how are you? So, let's see. Copy equal. Equal. I've never messed with an array like this before, so to string. What does this do, I wonder? To string. Okay, I'm gonna test around just a little bit. Debug log. If this can help me, then this would be nice. I don't know what this is for, to be honest. That did not give me any info. What the fuck is all this error? I don't know what this is. Okay, so obviously that didn't help. I don't know. I don't know how to grab this data either. There's so many stuff I don't know how to do yet. So it falls onto me because I'm not a coder as well. I just only learned. Let's see. A player data update events provide a player data info. This contains all the player data keys associated with that player for each element following. Key, a key, the string associated with a key. What is this key? How do I get this key? Get keys? What the fuck? 8. I'm not fucking with this stuff actually. I don't know anything about this. Info. Yeah, I have no idea. I have no idea. Okay, so let's see. This is temporary, so this needs to grab the index. If equal this, then do nothing. If it does not equal it, then to change stuff. So So, okay. We're making progress, slowly, but steadily. Thank you for believing me that believes in me in chat, that believes in me, because I'm suffering. So, if it equals... So, if this... Okay. So, player data, it gets changed to 5. So, if this is not equal to 5, then continue, then make it equal to 5. Saying that, then it goes through all of this. This can work. So annoying. So all this. So that this transform, then get child count, then child, then get game objects, then set active, then from there, everything good. Good. So from there, then we get the child, then nuts, then you grab from index. From the index, you then get game objects, then that active, and this is what you are going to activate. I don't know if this is going to work. This is going to be the most rudimentary shit I've ever done. I'm not gonna like it. I'm gonna tell you right now. I am not going to like it. But it is what it is. Oh, because... Okay, so it works. So right now, it's set to 5, which is Russian. So let's see. Player data is... Player data. Player language is set to 5. So then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's Russian. So we're in Russian right now. If I change it to English, it switches to English. If I switch to Japanese, it switches to Japanese. Also, this data shit. Disabled, enabled. I gotta fix that. Because whatever setting you change over here, it changes for everything. Nice, nice, nice. This is gonna be TL0. That's Spanish language. How did I do this? Oh. I remember now. So, after everything was done translating, I just had to throw it in. So, I actually don't need any of this until I'm ready to add a new language. All this can go away. So, main canvas. I remember what I was doing though. So I'm gonna call this a text table, and this has all of the stuff. I made this part specifically so that when everything was ready, I would just send it off. Naruhodo. I remember now. Yeah, this makes sense. So I should get rid of buffers. No, the buffer's there, just for the hell of it. Yeah, now I remember. Also, you know what? I'm gonna take out these signages. I don't care for these signs. I'm gonna be honest. I really don't care about these signs being here. I just wish there was a better way I could do this. This sucks. This actually sucks. This is the most fucking dog shit way ever. I have to like change everything. Hi, Serdy-chan. I'm trying to find an easy way out, but it's not working. Like, I just want to copy all of this and then use Uni's built-in language. They recommend using TextMesh Pro by VRChat, but this thing is so, oh my gosh. It sucks. I was able to do that one, but this one I don't know how to change. I really don't know how to change the font. That's my only issue. If I knew how to change the font, I would be doing this way differently. I'm gonna keep at it. I am dead set on trying to figure out this damn thing. I want this to work. Because what I'd have to do with this table is send it to everyone. After it's sent to everyone, then I have to go back and drag every fucking thing there. Oh my gosh, I hate that. I'll try using Google AI. Let's see. Google AI or Gemini shit. How in VR chat Udon, how do I change the fonts of Text Mesh Pro? Korean to TTF. Assign different prompts to each one of the inspectors. Gosh, I was right. It's not exposed in Udon. As of the current VRChat SDK, the property of to change font as at runtime. Text.font equals new font is not exposed to Udon. You cannot swap the actual font via scripts while in game. The workaround is swapping game objects. Dog shit. Dog. Wait. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I will do this the laziest way possible. I am committed to this. I am committed to being a lazy asshole about this. Hi, Jowda. Okay, I've another idea. I have an idea. It's gonna be so stupid if it works. Okay. Let's see. So we'll go back to the signage real quick. Text message pro signage. Here it is. So this is sign TL. So this is TL17. I need to call this TL.17. Just restricts. Transfer files. No, I have a better idea. I've got an idea. I'm just trying to figure out how to approach this. It's really stupid. I am dedicated. I am dedicated to this. I do this. Thinking. I'm thinking. So this is the one I want to grab. So this is TL17. So TL17. Just straight. Okay. So TL17. Just the straight. TL17. And okay. It's gonna be so stupid. No. Let's see. I can't do it like this. I need to do TL17.
Get in the covers and make me a mother.
Thank you, Clarine. I greatly appreciate it. Motivation. TL17 target. That's what I'll call this. Okay. So TL17 and then followed by target. So this is gonna be so stupid. Okay, here we go. Text table and then English. This is going to be so stupid. Okay, so TL17, then because if they want to play like this, I'll literally, I'll do this then. It's like whatever. I'll be the lazy asshole. I am dedicated to this. So let's see. I need to grab this. Okay. Grab all of this. This is TL17. Then paste this here. So TL17, if that's so this is for English. English would be 1. So if the index is 1, I can actually make this better. No, but I wouldn't be able to save them. So I'm gonna have to go through all of this and put 1. It's not much of an issue. Okay, see. So f equals 1. There's... Oh, this is the index. And then I need the temporary index. Index, oh, index, temporary. Right, so first and foremost, try to get it. If the index equals so if the player index matches, translate. This is where I have to do everything. The matches, then let's see. So we'll do the first one. If it matches, then what's this? Then there. Check the temporary index. If temporary index is the same, do nothing. If it's not the same, do something. So this is checking to make sure that it doesn't fire it again. If it's not the same, then do something, which is to set the new index. To that. So from there, if it doesn't match, then now it's matching, but then also translate. No, you are. But hi. So if it matches now, this is the part I can change. This is gonna be the most stupid thing ever, but you know what? I'm committed. So this is TL17. This needs to be grabbed. then get the transform. From here, we are getting the name of this objects and adding addition target. So you're finding TL17 target. Thank you for the training. I do appreciate it. Okay. Okay. So then to game object find, we need to find this game objects. If you find it, we need to make sure it's valid. If valid, then sing it. If not, then don't do anything. So if it's valid, then we need to then get the transform. Then we need to get this transform and set parents. It's gonna be so stupid. Oh my gosh. We're setting from this parent to this parent. Then we need to get the rect transform. Then get components. Type rex type rect. Then grabbing that rex set I don't even have to. Oh, no. I don't have to set this either. Because it's going to be right there. So all of this can just be set left or set x line set. How do I do that? Sensor height. How would I set? Okay. So if I were to say drag, if this gets pulled to here, position, top, is that position, substitution. Let's see. Get oops, get x, y. So this would all instead of just stretch, constructor. Does this work? Position. I need get position. Oh, that doesn't work. Position Y with height Z. That position. That doesn't work. That actually does not work. How about this? Rex. Target self. So this is the set position, the that position. The height. I need to try this on enable first. On enable. That position set rotation or set height. Width and height. Height set. Ugh, I hate this. This is so like. This is like one of those freaking bandage methods. Yes, set position, set height. What happens? What else happens when scale? That set X max Y. Okay, this is gonna be so stupid. So on enable, this should move. If this works, then I'm okay with this. It's a bit stupid, but it is what it is. Did not work. Oh my gosh. Suffering, suffering. Did you like just not find it? What's going on? Why did you not find it? Set parent. So this game object, TL underscore 17, TL. Oh, this is TL dot 17. Try now. Let's try now. Let's try now. Let's go for gold. It works! The only other issue now, it didn't reset this part. Left, right, 0. Yeah. slow. Nothing about this works. So it moved across, which is kind of what I wanted, but as compared to this, so that makes this even more confusing. Why did this one turn out small, while this one... This doesn't make sense. This does not make sense. I don't understand. I still don't understand. Chat, tell me. Where did I go wrong? What did I do? You see what I mean? I fix one thing and then another thing breaks. Like... Like, why is this so small? I don't understand. See what I mean? Why is this text all the way over here? Copy. See, now it fits here. So oh, I was like the wrong thing. So even then, why did this not work? There's our zero. Doesn't make sense. Does not make sense. Heal Sunskin goes across. Like it goes across right here, so but look how small it comes out. It's like, oh. Scale. So it's kind of working, but it kind of isn't, is what I am noticing at the moment. Yes. See, I like this better because it just requires me to do one thing. Wait. So this is getting the transform of the parents. So this is get. That's type site type that does not work with any of them. Surprising. Type rats. Rats. Let's transform. Oh, what's this? Wait, a rat transform. Maybe this will solve it. Supposition. Set. Diction. Oh, chat. Solve my issue. Does this have scale? It does. Amazing. I need it to be. Okay. 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 Why are you like this? Why must you torture me? Why are you like this? Maybe it's just too fast. You know what? That could be it. Uh, it might be. It might literally just be because of that. That's gonna make me so sad. What's an event? Update frames. Sure. Chat, settle down, settle down. Are we making progress? If not, I'm just going to jump off a cliff in game. It didn't work. Fuck me, I guess. I don't understand why this rec transform shit is not working. Maybe it's because I have it set to this. So what if I do that? Why does... I don't understand why this... I swear, I have an idea for one thing. It turns out horrible because for whatever fucking reason, Unity is just... I don't know if it's Unity or VR chat. Update frames, update frames. But I am starting to salt. I'm really starting to salt here. That's it? That's all I had to do? That's literally it? There's... Oh my gosh, I mean, it's a good start, but why? There is no way it was because of that. What? Like transfer. No, it's not let me do that here. That's so stupid. What am I doing wrong? Like, it won't even let me grab this for a reason. Oh. Now it works? Wait. Position set. This. Is it really? Is it really, chat? Oh my goodness. It kind of works. Oh my gosh. We're actually okay. This might be the one. This might be the thing. Oh my goodness. I've probably just saved myself so much. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh. Is it here? Set position, set rotation. So there. So how do we set this to 0, 0, 0, 0? It's going to like 30. So, okay. I got the wrong thing, essentially. Set offset? What? Set handle racks. That. So it's rec transform. Set right, set left. Am I really gonna have to do all of this? Is that right? Oh my gosh, there's set left. Set that. I just had it here. Is that right? Oops, left. Or top bottom. Scale. The rotation works. Is that up? Down? Sunset. Okay, maybe there's a better way I can do this. Get parent. Get component and parent. Hi. Then arc transform. Then okay. Position. Is it because I'm doing 0, 0 that get position? So I want to grab this essentially. Throw it here. I'm getting the position of the parent because I set it there. If this works, it didn't work. Kind of works, but not really. Position, width, and height. This is okay. So, oh no. Actually, yes. Get position. Get height. Get position, get height, get flexible height, get this up. Okay, so instead of local position, set this to position. Set position. I'm like learning new stuff, kind of. Scale is good so far. Because okay. I guess it's like another Unity thing where you can't set the left, right, down, up, whatever. As it's definitely getting it's just not doing this part right. Hi. Do you get the width and height then? Flexible, get preferred width. That. Oh my gosh. I swear, I figure out one thing and I just get fucked over with the other. This is stupid. That position. Maybe I just have to copy the, the width and height. Set anchor, set forward, set hold position, set pivot. Set anchor. Position. That's why. Goodness, chat. The things I do. I thought I got this translation system working. But then I realized, oh, right, that can't work. Oh my gosh. I've been working on this for almost 2 hours. So the only thing now is I can't get the position, or not the position, but rather because this is getting the scale. How do you get the, let's see, Unity, how to get width of a rect transform. It's red. So I had to do 2 different things? Oh my gosh, Rex. Oh. 2 types of... There are 2 types of stuff I have to get. Oh my goodness. Cannot believe this. Components in pair. Oops. So, type routes. I actually did not know that. Who would have thought? So, I then set that I. You're telling me this doesn't work either? I keep hitting a roadblock after a roadblock. This actually sucks. So you're telling me this works? Oh my gosh, it works. Well, how come this one works, but not... Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Type Rex. Like, are you serious? Or we're joking, right? Maybe it's a transform. Surely. Surely this works, right? Are you serious? So you can't... Oh my goodness, Udon. Get this Udon. Oh my goodness, Udon. Oh my goodness, Udon. Happy to do this a bit old school, I guess. Well, not old school, but that's so stupid. You can't grab it? That is insane. I can't believe you can't grab it. I have an idea. This wants to go. So I'm trying to make everything automated as well. That program. Uh, to soar. Probably not. Well, lucky, I guess, right? Oh my gosh. So you can't touch anything with the Rex transforms either. Cool. Amazing. Really cool to know. So I'm just gonna have to manually copy all the sizes, essentially. So like target 17, so target 17, then target 17. So 700 to... I have to manually set all this. That's crazy. I mean, it's not too bad, but still. I would have enjoyed it being a lot more different. So now this should work. Okay, there we go. It works. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, chat. Maybe I can take this a little bit further to, let's see. Is there a way I can canvas scaler? I wonder. I wonder. Full grid layout. There might be a way I can do this even more. So if I slap one of these on, set it to cell size 750. In theory, if I do this, then what happens? If this happens, then paddle starting corner constraints. There's another way I could do this. Control child size with height. Use child scale? No. Child to expand. So scaling is all I would have to worry if I do vertical lines. This is so like everything I'm about to do is just like, oh my goodness, this is so terrible. I would not recommend doing things like this. That's my only thing I can say. Hi, hey, how are you? I'm committing some like, egregious sin right now. So it's gonna be position Z, and scaling. Okay, so position Z and scaling. I mean, I could just do it like that, but I'll just copy the rotation. It's not too much of an issue. Yeah, you know what? I'll copy the targets. No critical layout. Don't ever like do stuff like this, chat. No, this is like terrible. This is like the worst idea I've ever had. But it works. It fucking works. The signage. So this is gonna be okay. I've got it now. So I'm gonna delete all this. This is like the worst. It's so terrible. I mean, it works, so I have no complaints. It's off like that. Okay. My buffer. It's signage. I don't need. Get rid of all the signage. Actually, I don't care for these enough. I mean, people do find them helpful, so. Oh my gosh, I'm suffering. Start on start. Oops. Set active. That's what I ought to see. So on start. Oh. So this is gonna be station. Oops. It's gonna be is this wrap and stuff again? Let's see. So it's getting a name. Hard. So with this, I don't even have to do like any drag and drop. The only dragging and dropping I have to do is put into the scene. That's it. If this works. And this does not work. That bishop. If that works. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm not gonna complain about it because it works, so take it. Just gonna have to rework everything again. It's fine. Oops. Uh, s- so, so with this, that. So now, anyone that's like translating can just see it right here, if that makes sense. Uh, so box pre. Okay, we've got a working translation system. I have to create the table again, but I'm okay with this. I actually do not mind it being like this. Does it suck? Fuck yeah, it does. But whatever. Pardon my language. I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay. So that's the the I literally just copy and paste this, so I have to add buffers to I have to add no, so all these items have yeah, they all have food on behavior. So yeah. So I can get rid of all of the EG. Oh no, it's not done. I forgot to make it change it back. So like, if they change language, then yeah, JP, it's JP. Sweet. So now with this, I have to make it go back. So if this objects, uh, let's not match. So it goes into translating. Once I translate, it should if the index doesn't. So if the index or if the index doesn't match, then what happens is oh my goodness. My brain hurts. If the index doesn't match, then that again for a temporary index doesn't match. So say it's a new index, so it didn't match. It's like, oh, okay. Didn't match, then not the right index. Didn't match, and not the right index doesn't match, then go ahead and then this is so instead of so instead of doing all this. We need to some set parents. So that's one. Yeah. Setting the parent to you are going to go back. That is it. Should be it. That should be it. Then supposition, supplementation, etc. etc. So then we do this part again, or we update frames. See, right now it doesn't match because language is on 4. So if I press English, should work. Serious? It's the player language. Let's see. Says 1. Your language is 1, then continue. This has to be a continue. Now, if it doesn't match, we translate. Then from translate, it should do all this. So why didn't it do it? Why? Why, chat? Why did it not do it? Now it's not working. Are you? Oh my gosh. Why is this like this? Why? 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 So now it wants me to do transform set parents? Yeah, transform. There's no. My gosh. Why are you like this? But it works on enable, so I don't understand. It literally works right here, so... Or am I looking at the wrong thing? I have to be looking at the wrong thing, right? Okay, language just set to 7. So then... So then... Why? Why are you like this? Why are you like this to me? It's clear language. The index matches. So that's one that index and C. It's true. It's temporary. That index is 0, then upgrade it to 1, then I've come across another problem. I hate this. I hate this. I hate this so much. I hate this so much. I don't know why it's not working. Try getting rid of temporary stuff. X equals... Continue. My goodness. It's there. Part of my language. Yeah, I'm gonna put on 10, see if it starts. So then if I put it at 1, it works. Okay, so that works, which is nice. I'm gonna have to do a different method for this then. If it does not match, then if it does not match, then where is it? Right here. Skipping all of this. We don't need a temporary index anymore. Temporary index. If this matches, then go ahead. If it doesn't match, then get this, then get transform, then get parent equals parent. If it matches, do nothing. If it does not match, do something. Set. Okay, okay. This has to work, right? Right? Clear language is set to 1. Then stable. It didn't do it. Why? Why? Setsu 1, then Setsu 0. Setsu 50. Why does it not work? I don't understand. If it matches, equals. If it doesn't match. Oh, this is reverse. This should be. If it doesn't. Okay. It should be like this. If that's 1, okay, it moves. Now it's there. If it does not match, then 5. It works. It works. Oh my gosh, finally. The only other thing is, if stuff updates, for whatever reason, I need to figure out how to see which data is like updating. VRC API, then post info. What the fuck is the post info? VRC store? VRC put, no, not this. I need infos. Clear.info array. Get link. Get queenscat. I want to figure out how to, like, if this is the one, play rate to string. What is this? To string? Wait. Is this what I needed? Oh! No way. Wait. Is this the one thing I've been looking for? There's no way, chat. Oh my goodness. You guys are so cool. Debug log. Do this, then there. If this works, then understand. What was the debug log? Babe. 3? VRC persistence plus. I've been betrayed. It's not the right thing I'm looking for. How do I get a specific data? I want to see if something changed. If I do a loop, that would lag way more. So I want to do that. Clear data array. See string, get value. So this is coming off as like a loop. But I want to know what exactly initially get value. Like, how do I know something changed or? I guess there's really like no way to see if it changed or not. So I guess I'll just have to make do with this for now. So with all of this, then I am going to then that keep that then get display name, get player data. That there. So this should work now. So if I set this to 1, it should update by itself. Should. Did it do it? Sure did. Oh my goodness. Set it to 2. It goes back. Nice. This works. Oh my goodness. Finally. I can. Translation system's almost gonna be ready then. Okay, okay. Oh, are they going to VR chat already and world hopping? I want to go world hop. Not yet? Okay. Okay, we finally got the translation system. Holy. Now I'm gonna kill myself in Voices of the Void or some shit. My goodness. We wait for you, but please take your time. I'll go for 1 more hour then. Also, Zerdy needs to see a charge, so an hour extra. I'll go 1 more hour. We're chilling? Like a villain? Oh my gosh, I finally did it. We got to. So now all I have to do is I have to redo this part of the translation system, and it's officially done. So all I have to do is, oh my goodness, this is exciting. There's only one issue. The only issue is it's the menu system. So with the menu system, I would have to duplicate the text. So these, for example, there would be like there'd be 6 request entries. So I'd have to be like request entry 2, 4, etc., etc. It's gonna have to copy and paste it. That's only a downside. But you know what? Hey, I'll take it over. Like, I prefer this way more. It's like I am good with just doing stuff like this. So yeah, I'll just keep working on this. You know what? I'm not gonna play games. We're going on VR chat later, anyways. So I'm just gonna keep working on this. So let's see, buffer, then signal target 2, signal target 2. So this is target 2. I'm gonna have to make 2 hierarchies because having to go back and forth between these is going to be hell. I'm gonna move my inspector here too. I'm just gonna move, yeah. So let's see. Add hierarchy, then that there, throw that there, then inspector can safety. So world. World translation system. So the way this would work is I duplicate this. Why don't I just do this, actually? I can streamline this more to make my life easier. And not have to copy and paste all of this at this. I know how to do this. Okay. I'm gonna switch the order. So this is going to add target dot translation. So that's gonna be target dot translation, and this is gonna be translations world signs. So what I'll do is, instead of adding it right here, this will be target dot, and then it will add it on top of that, and then that'll give me. This should work. This better work. If it doesn't work, don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna cry out blood. Let's see. So it sets it 2 if I do this. It sets. Oh, works. Let's set it back. I can be even lazier now. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, chat. Amazing. Wait. This is kind of okay. Oh no, sorry. You set it to 2. Then this one is nice. So then I don't even have to. Yeah, I literally just copy components, paste component. Oh, this is so nice. Okay, then light probes? No. Reflection probes? No. Dynamic occlusion? Motions. Force no motion. Motion vectors. So this, I then grab the buffer, then I can close all of this. Nice. There's a mesh render too. This is the entrance. Then signage 3 is going to be alt sign suit. Bam. There we go. Oh, they're all like 750. 7 by 50. Okay, so that's nice. Let's see. Sorry, I got the ends. Because they're all. I can just literally copy and paste. This is so nice! Oh my gosh! Chat, you guys are so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I hope you know. Where's the gallery? Look at that 6. Wait, what? Me? What? Signage. Agents, entrance. Entrance, 3 pods. Then 4 is video room. Then so ass backwards. 5 is that if you need. Damn! Okay, sorry. Oh, I didn't change the. Okay. That's why. Instead of, that's why this is confusing me. Target dot translation 4. Then target dot translation 5. Let's see, let's see. Audio cutout is 6. Copy. Target. Cutout. Audio cutouts. Is that an audio cutout? Yeah, I guess I could put audio cutout. Then 7 to 7. Then target dot translation 7. Then courtyard to courtyard. Target 8. It's going to be city district. Then 8. Then 9 is going to be target. Oh, I forgot target in this one. Target dot translations. Then grab that. Grab 9 is feast the point. Then 10. Grab. I don't. Oh. It's only 10. 8, 9. Signage 9. Let's feast the point. Then. Oh, there's no 10. It's 10. Target dot translation. Wait, what? Oh right. I have a duplicated. That's why. That makes sense. Okay. It's not the best, but it's not the worst either. It's actually a lot better compared to the old system. So now, if I play the scene, everything should move soon as I do it. There. So, if I switch this over to English, it works! It works! Oh my goodness! Chat, it works! Oh my gosh! There it is. There it is. There it is. Oh my, this is so exciting! Oh my goodness, everything's actually working. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness. Can we do this? Set it to 0? Everything should go back. It went back. Oh my goodness. It went back to the table. Ooh, that is exciting. We got a work. Oh my goodness. We got a working translation system. Nice. Nice. This one's a lot more flexible too. Oh my goodness. I've been slouched in my chair because of how much I spent 3 hours just trying to get this damn thing to work. Okay, so let's see. There might be one issue actually. I've come to realize there might be one issue. I'm gonna have to make 2 translation systems that work together. Here's the reason. I just remembered just right now. It's this thing. So what this thing does is it duplicates the object, right? Here's the thing. This only works 1 for 1. This translates and brings it over here, vice versa, back and forth. Here's the issue. This is making copies. See the picture now? Because it's making copies, then it's like, yeah, it won't necessarily work. Fun. But you know what? That's a good start. Being able to just translate that, all this other stuff, is nice. I'm going to have to do the player data stuff last, if anything. I can do like world menus and I think I'll do world menus second to last because I'm going to touch up on that one. And the menus themselves, these menus, oh my goodness, that's gonna take a while too. Oh my goodness, whatever. I can do the only thing is I cannot change the Yama player. Yama player is something out of my control. But portal maker, shuffle. Okay. I can do local UIs and such, so I do have that. Fortunately for me, is that all the buffers, aside from these two, are the same. So, yeah. I'm gonna have to change the buffers on all of these actually. To let's see. buffer. So the only thing I have to do with this is I'm gonna have to make something like this as well. I have to make a parent. So this might take me a bit, if anything. Not too long, but gosh. Oh my goodness. So let's see. I called this translation target dot translation dot display. But one. So what do I do? I think that's F1000. I'm keep that like that. Yeah. So I throw my offerings to this. Okay. So with that, I then do this. Station. Then nice. Then copy the buffer. Audio cutoff. Then buffer. Audio cutoff. Then that's up to audio restored. Stored. Then then this is the 350 stuff. So both of these are going to be 350 and 350. just broke something. I'm pretty sure I just broke something. This is a need. This is a name. I just broke something. Oh. I'm pretty sure I just broke it. It's clear authority. Oh yeah, this help. Since you button, call help, then call help. Yeah. Okay, so I have to skip this. Help requested entrance. Help requested this. So now it goes back to 1,000. Yeah. I'll finish this on stream. I have to switch audio because my audio died. Hi Gio, how are you? Sorry, I'm like super hard focused. So I might have missed your message. Sorry. see. I can test. Okay, set it to. Now, this should work. That is severely not good. Translation. Translation. Heads up. Display one. Translation. Heads up. Display. So. So I did something wrong again. None of these moved. Why did none of these move? This makes sense. Yeah. That's new. It has to be active. Huh. That changes a lot. That is not good. That actually changes a lot. Goodness. I can't believe that. I actually. Oh my gosh. Changes the whole scope of this. Oh my goodness. I fixed one thing and everything breaks. That's. I don't know, but. I don't know. Goodness. There, tell me if I do that. Sad. So yeah, it has to be active. Man, that changes everything. Oh, what a fucked up day. What an absolutely fucked up day. I don't know what to say. I definitely don't know how I'm gonna solve this. That's for sure. It's again, I'm like stumped on how to like. Had to say necessary to disable one or the other. Wish I could, but I really don't know. This translation system is just like it's fucking me over, like really bad. I actually just don't know what to do. You can't change the text, which makes things worse. I can just do a copy. Like, I don't know. I honestly don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. This thing's just so complicated. Honestly don't know what to do. Didn't know this would happen. That like this means that like all my other stuff might be kind of SOL too. Where this sucks. This actually sucks. This sucks so much. Oh my goodness. I try to do I'm trying to do something nice only to get fucked over. All because I can't change a font of all things. Like why can't you know change the font? Udon requests to be able to change text mesh fonts? Is this already a thing? Like canny? Is there a canny for this? Let's see. VRC canny. Back. Udon change fonts text mesh pro. There's nothing here on how to change the fonts. This is so dog shit. I'll buy it then. I'm just like so confused. I'm lost. This would like if I could find a font that works for Japanese, Chinese, and Korean, that would be great. But I don't know how to. The Text Mesh Pro font is so I hate it. I honestly hate it. Text Mesh Pro font with all languages. Support? How to support any Unicode characters in Text Mesh Pro. Creating a dynamic font that can handle every single Unicode. What? I'm gonna have to look at this video off stream chat. I think I'm gonna end for now. I think we kind of got we kind of got fucking rolled back with this. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, we kind of got rolled on this, so I'm gonna have to figure something out. Hi, geek. I'm gonna be ending. I'm a bit lost, so I'm gonna try to do some research in the meantime too. But I want to relax for now. I'm kind of defeated by this.
Hello there. In this video, I'm going to be showing how we can quickly create a dynamic font asset. Right now, that's
Oh my gosh, a 20 fucking a 20-minute video.
I need to bake and it's the same thing. So you would go to, and I will lock my inspector. This is when their image is on screen here. Let's see what happens when we assign our Noto-san dynamic font asset. Take a look at the texture here. Everything's been erased, and we're back to. And in different posts, I've said that there's a significant performance overhead when you're using dynamic font asset. The glyph table system, where it's got a pretty significant performance overhead, but this significant stuff.
Just explain how you do it. Oh my gosh, I hate this.
But anything else that's going to come from Xnerd, and they're not at runtime, and so on and so forth, as needed, additional Atlas. I'll unlock this inspector, but as needed, additional Atlas textures were created to give us the characters that we need. So the cool thing about it, create a font asset. Don't be silly and make it a 256 by 256 because that's really silly. And I'll tweak that shortly for some other stuff I want to show. But create a normal dynamic SDF font. How you're going to deal with specific lanes. Make font asset with multi-atlas texture enabled on it, and its job, or a new one, structure here points to glyph 17. So character is the thing that has the Unicode, and they reference a glyph. What's the zoomed in?
I have to create something entirely. Oh man.
But it's often 20 to 150. Did we see any change? No. This, what I did, I will erase all the text. I'm going to select the font asset, and let's say I want to reset it back to its native state. We'll look at its atlas and we'll lock it. So I'll select it here, and I'm going to go to the context menu. And again,
oh shit. I hope this video. Oh, 60
Hello
minutes.
again. In today's video, I was in Korea yesterday Google from a for Chinese, Japanese, and it's going to use the default set, and we're going to go and assign it to our text object. Asset, and we're going to go and assign it to our text object. Now we can see that the same languages, Cyrillic, Greek, and Vietnamese, were all good. We still have our missing characters for Japanese theme. So let's go ahead and create a dynamic font asset for our Chinese Japanese. Question is, how are we gonna tell our text object that it needs to find this font asset here? So in the previous video, and I'm gonna label it for fall looking for the text object assigned to it. And in this case, we don't have any. So we're gonna add a fallback, which will be our Chinese, Japanese, and Korean dynamic font asset. And
Oh.
as soon as I do that, we can see on screen that now the text with those languages is all fine. Now we still have the Thai text that's not showing up. That's because we didn't create that asset yet. But this is how you would assign.
Oh. Okay, I have to do this off stream so I can set this up. I can make one font as. So okay. So basically, what I have to do is make an English text font. This English font or text font will have a backup, like backup fonts as well that it'll fall back to. And with that, I basically make like a master. I make a table of lists of like all of the languages. So with that, that means I can actually just use the get text font copy paste. That's it. So this could work. I'm gonna save this video.
Did you know you can AFK
Fucking
block
nuts,
learn
ow!
to
Sorry.
code in Python? Go to boot.dev.
Primary slash.
It's exactly what we're trying to tell. Okay, I'm gonna end for now. Thanks for hanging out, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed your stay. Have a good morning, evening, afternoon, whatever it may be, and thanks for hanging out. What Thursday's 24 is Christmas Eve, right? And then 25 is Christmas. 25 I will not be here. So yeah. Yeah. More than likely I'm not gonna be here. So have a good holiday, everyone. Well, I'll see you all tomorrow, so. But yeah, just to let you guys know. Okay, bye everyone. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Take care. Have a good morning, evening, afternoon, whatever it may be. And yeah. Alright, bye everyone.